Do you have any idea why the manifestation is not working? Here I am going to tell you 3 reasons why it is not working. So before going to start, this is Nilakantam, manifestation coach and law of attraction and healer certified NLP coach. And here I am going to give you why the manifestation is not working. There are a lot many reasons, but I'm here telling you the major one, the 3 reasons. Okay. The first one is you might be you're too attached to the how it will be happen, how it is going to be give you the results and all. Like when the ego is attached to the how things happen, it creates resistance, which then blocks the things, persons and situations from coming into your life. Have a vision for what you are intended for and let go how it happens. So it could happen in a much more magical way than you think. And the second one is your goal is it's like an end goal is always a pedestal, and it is very important. Anytime we make something very important, we vibrationally put it out of reach. The key here is relating to your vision as being a part of who you are. When you see it is a natural for you to achieve your goals, things will be happen easier than you can imagine. Okay, this might be the second one. And the third part is when we are manifesting the things, we become very serious. Don't be too serious. How the process will be happen. It is not in your hand. It is not your job. So have more fun. The more serious you are, the more solid and heavy things will be feel. So when you focus on enjoying the moment and having fun, heaviness goes away and your positive energy becomes contagious. You all then achieve your goals easier than ever and enjoy the process too. Always be happy. Always be happy. So here what I want to tell you, when you are manifesting the things, don't be too attached, don't be too serious, and always be naturally attract the things. Don't chase the things when you are literally wanting manifestation. So that's it, guys. Hope you people have loved these reasons, and you will definitely make a list of the things why manifestation is not working, and work out on yourself to overcome these things, so that manifestation will be coming very soon. Thank you so much. Hope you people have loved this video. Please give me like button, and the people who are seeing first time my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell button. If you don't want to miss any kind of latest updates from our channel, please go through our VIP exclusive Telegram groups and also Facebook groups, which I have given in the description box. Thank you so much. We'll meet you with the next video. Bye bye. Take care.